I am not Mr. Beast, but I can tell you a strategy that works every time on YouTube. Now, if you take a look at Mr. Beast's channel, you'll notice that Mr. Beast is using all the features provided by YouTube to go viral. Mr. Beast does post shorts, Mr. Beast does go live, he does upload long form content, and he does upload shorts as well. Guys, one thing that most persons are not aware on the streets of YouTube is this: they are not aware of the fact that going viral for the wrong reason can drop their views. Going viral on YouTube is good, going viral on YouTube is also bad. I don't know if you have ever come across a particular YouTube channel that went viral. After that one viral video, no other videos on that particular channel got views again. Have you sat to ask yourself what literally happened, what the creator did, what the creator did not do? This is because the creator was not ready for virality. When virality meets you at the point where you are not ready, it literally means that you will be running your channel instead of you building your own channel. Now, this is what you should do. As a content creator, it is best you prepare for virality. It can come at any time. Nobody can predict when it will come. It comes on its own. Sometimes when the algorithm smiles at you, sometimes when your audience say it is the right time for this person to be known, it is the right time for this person to be seen, and what will they do? They'll go ahead to watch your video to a reasonable amount of time. They go ahead to drop comments. They go ahead to share your videos. Now, once the algorithm notices that your audience wants you to be seen to the world, the algorithm will begin to push your videos, and that's why you see some persons go viral. Now, once you go viral, this is the first thing you need to do. You need to look at which of your content went viral. You need to rewatch that your video that actually went viral. Ask yourself, what did you do in this particular video that you have not been doing in other videos? Watch your introduction, because most persons who go viral, it is mostly their introductions that got people watching the video more than usual. I do tell people, when creating your content, the major aspect of your content that you should put in more effort in is your introduction. I do also tell people that when creating your content, that you should use what is called in journalism the inverted pyramid. The inverted pyramid means you starting your video with the most vital information, to the more vital information, to the least vital information, so that as people are watching your content, they will watch the most important thing, the more important thing, down to the least important thing. In case they do not have time to watch the full video, they can literally leave without missing anything. But in a situation where you're starting your video with the least important thing to the more important thing to the most important thing, this is one of the reasons you're always having people watch your video for the average duration of about 50 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. This is the reason. Now, once your video goes viral, the second thing you must do is for you to recreate that similar content. Recreate that similar content, because people who came in through that your viral video are looking forward to watching more of that video that made them subscribe to your YouTube channel. One common mistake that most content creators make on YouTube or other social media platforms is that once one of their videos go viral, instead of them to continue in that line, creating similar content, creating similar thumbnail, creating similar titles, they leave that entirely and begin to chase other things that are not even related to what they do. Guys, this is Mr. Beast's strategy, and if you want to grow on YouTube, you must make use of this strategy. Start posting short form content that are related to your long form content. Start linking your long form content to your short form content. Start posting long form content, because long form content has the capability of making you the billionaire that you so much desire. Start going live, because live stream will expose you to people all over the world. Guys, this is Mr. Beast strategy. I do not want you to miss out on this. Start posting. Go and post on your channel. Do not say I did not tell you. YouTube is that one platform that is capable of changing everything around for you. I think this is my shortest video. Did you watch from the beginning to the end? Please, if you haven't, go back and watch. Thank you, guys.